success is not just about reaching great heights, but also inspiring others to rise along the way. Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, principal, vice principal, chief guest, and all my dear friends. I'm Sachin of Final BA here to provide a brief introduction regarding today's chief guest. It is my great privilege to introduce our illustrious chief guest for today's annual day function, Dr. Ravi Prakash Wai, a renowned academician, researcher, and inspiring mentor who also proudly belongs to this very institution as an alumnus. It is indeed a moment of joy and pride to welcome him back to the very campus where his own journey once began. Dr. Ravi Prakash completed his PhD from the prestigious National Institute of Technology, Surathkal, in the field of thin film technology for energy devices. Over the years, Sir has made an impressive research profile in the areas of semiconducting thin films, focusing on applications such as solar photovoltaics, supercapacitors, and hydrogen generation through water splitting. With a teaching career span more than 24 years, Sir is currently serving as a professor in physics at MIT Manipal, where Sir continues to inspire young minds with his deep knowledge and passion for teaching. Dr. Ravi Prakash has made significant contributions to research, having published over 35 research articles in reputed international journals, authored a book chapter with the Royal Society of Chemistry, and filed a patent. His research excellence is further reflected through grants worth approximately 50 lakhs from prestigious agencies such as the Department of Atomic Energy, the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. In recognition of his academic and teaching excellence, Sir has received several accolades, including the Best Teacher Award from MIT Manipal and the Young Scientist Seed Money Award from the Government of Karnataka. Beyond academics, Sir has demonstrated exemplary leadership by serving as an assistant director and presently as associate director at MIT Manipal. Sir is a national level certified trainer in research-based pedagogical tools, trained in collaboration with IISER of Pune, the British Council, and Sheffield Hallam University of United Kingdom. An excellent speaker, motivator, he actively conducts sessions on success strategies, career guidance, public speaking, and effective teaching, making Sir not just a scholar but also a mentor who shapes the future. Today, Sir returns to his alma mater. His journey stands as a powerful inspiration to all of us, especially for the students, showing what dedication, perseverance, and passion can achieve. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm and a heartfelt welcome to our beloved chief guest, Dr. Ravi Prakash Wai. Thank you one and all. I'm signing off for now. Thank you.